The Shop with the Sheriff event has been part of our agency since 1992. It's our signature event. This is one of the best events that we do in terms of helping children, but also spending time with the kids and being able to bridge that gap where children should not be afraid of public safety.
So our event has two parts. We'll meet here at the courthouse where we have some games and activities set up for the children, get a chance to interact and meet the children that all of our staff, both sworn and civilian, are paired up with. We'll have lunch here. Paisanos has graciously donated pizzas for us for the event, and from here we'll embark to Target and where we'll begin our shopping spree.
These are vulnerable kids that are in all kinds of different situations. They're in our homeless shelters, and for them to have a positive experience with law enforcement at this age is a really good thing.
Shelter House operates 5 shelters, 4 here in Fairfax County, including domestic violence shelters and shelters for families experiencing homelessness. So the Sheriff's Department partners with us to bring the children to Target and do school shopping with them. And as a child, as you can imagine, that first day of school is so important to them. And knowing that they could go to school with new clothes, new supplies, it just brings the dignity and provides the dignity that every single child needs on their first day of school.
We have to recognize that in our community we have lots of vulnerable members. The pandemic made it clear just how difficult it was for people to be able to get food and to provide for their shelter and then meet their basic needs. This continues even after the pandemic, so programs like this are going to be accretive in helping people meet some of their basic needs.